kamusta naman po yung naging hearing po natin? Of course, medyo may mga naging issues din po na parang napataas kayo ng boses or anything. So ano po yung naging reaction po dito sa hearing today?
Well, naging maayos naman yung daloy ng hearing natin. I'm very happy with how the chairman conducted and presided over the hearing. I'm happy with some of the answers that the resource persons gave. Although, syempre, kulang at hindi buo. So medyo nakakalungkot sa ganung bahagi. But of course, ang kailangan po natin pag-aralan dito ay kung ano po ang epekto nito sa prangkisang ipinagkaloob sa SMNI. So, meron pa naman po tayong follow-up hearing sa Tuesday. So, we will further get into more details and the other information necessary for the committee to come up with its own recommendation.
Kung so far po ba, based on sa mga nakikita ninyo, are you seeing the possibility that there could be violations on SMNI's franchise?
Well, when you come out on TV and issue a statement that they just recently said and stated na hindi pala totoo at inamin nila na hindi totoo, tapos nilabas nila sa television, may malicious intent yon. Kasi kanina maliwanag na dapat bago ka maglabas ng anumang statement, especially kung substantial yung kahalagahan nito pagdating sa national security or national interest, dapat inaalam mo muna kung totoo. And here, inamin naman nila na hindi nila ginawa yung due diligence. So, we need to focus on that because under Section 4 of their franchise, it specifically says there na mali yun at bawal yun.
Kung pardon me for asking this kasi some supporters of former President Duterte are raising beef on social media na kaya daw kayo nagre-raise ng ganitong hearing kasi nga they're raising it on social media, may kaso daw kayo sa ombudsman, and also because nga raw na may kinalaman daw to sa issue between the Speaker and VP Sara. Any thoughts on that po? Kasi nire-raise po ng mga Duterte supporters itong mga concerns na ito, lalo na medyo kainitan nung issue tungkol sa kay Speaker and the Vice President.
I think there is no connection. Ako mismo yung tumayo nung Martes dahil dun sa napanood ko. At nung napanood ko, medyo nasaktan ako. At yung pala, yung napanood ko ay hindi tama. So, yun yung pinaka dahilan kung bakit ako tumayo. So, I think, insinuations are with regards to reasons behind the hearings are baseless. We should just take it for what it is. There was a resolution by other congressmen other than myself that was filed. The committee is merely doing its job.